Love yourself, love yourself, love yourself, love yourself.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making scented candles. I do love aromatherapy. I love candles. Anytime I clean up, I like to finish my cleaning with a nice scent, and it's usually coming from either incense or candles or something of that sort. I'll be following along with this video how to make scented candles that actually smell good by Torera George. And it's simple enough. So about 2 weeks ago I came across the video when I decided to just randomly make candles. I ordered all the things, I got them the next day, and I kind of like lost the vibe to make the candles. So I think I have everything I need, so we're gonna get started. So
smells good. You're gonna need a bunch of things. You're gonna need some soy wax. I prefer soy wax to paraffin wax, but
alright, so the first thing I'm gonna need is soy wax. Soy wax. It doesn't have to be soy, but that's the one I chose.
that's what you have. Use that as well. You need some measuring spoons and cups.
Measuring spoons and cups.
You need a container. You can repurpose old containers, old mugs.
So container to add your wax to. Maybe I should have got everything together before pressing record. You can repurpose something. I'm going to try out a few different containers. Not all in this video, but I have these containers. It's not container. This is like a bowl from Walmart. I have this size that I can put maybe 2 or 3 wicks in. I was thinking of making a big chakra candle out of this one with all of the rainbow colors along the side. I think that would be cute. This one I could make like a 4-wick candle. These little jars could also make smaller candles. I think I'm going to use this one.
Use whatever you have on hand. I'm using this glass. You also need some flavor oils.
I found these essential oils. It comes with 12. Peppermint, lavender, eucalyptus, tea tree. I'll pick one.
Essential oil. So here I'm using lemongrass essential oil. You also need a glue gun or glue dots, which
glue gun or glue dots. I have a glue gun. I have a glue gun. I know I do. So I'll find that in a minute.
It's my personal preference. You also need your pair of scissors to cut the wick, and then this.
I have scissors. Scissors.
So important. You need a thermometer.
Thermometer.
Super important for this recipe. So important. Don't skip it. You also need your wicks, but you need the right
so here are my wicks.
And then you need some skewers. I use skewers, but you can use whatever you have on hand.
So she's going to be using skewers to hold the wicks in place. But this little set I have, it has the things to hold the wicks in place at the top.
Spoon that's dedicated to making candles. And then
alright, she has a spoon. I'm gonna use like a popsicle stick.
Boiler like this.
And for my double boiler, so I'm gonna use this and this as a double boiler.
First, you need to put some water in the pot.
Alright, so she's getting started. So let's go on into the kitchen to get the wax started. So there's water in the pot, and I'm gonna put this boiler part on top of it like so. Alright, so she said to put 4 cups of wax. I'm not sure if 4 cups can actually fit, but we're gonna find out. Alright, so that looks like white chocolate. I know 4 cups isn't gonna fit. Let's try maybe half the recipe. That's 1 cup. And it's basically full. So I'm gonna just do half the recipe. 2 cups. Maybe I could do the first batch 1 fragrance, and then when that hardens, then I can pour a second batch on top of that with a different type of fragrance. I think that would be cool. While the wax melts, I'm gonna go get my glue gun and stick the wicks to the bottom of my container. Clean and dry. I can't find my glue gun, so I'm going to be using some Mod Podge. I don't think it's going to be strong enough, but I'm hoping if I hold the wicks in place, it will be fine. Nope and no. That looks a mess. It's melted. I'm gonna turn that down a bit.
Until it gets to 85. And then you can add your flavor oils or your essential oils. Here I'm using lemongrass flavored essential oils, and you need 2 tablespoons.
Okay, so I'm gonna need 2 tablespoons of essential oil. Only one problem I see with that. This is 1 tablespoon and this is the bottle, and it's a little drip. All right, so I'm making an autumn candle, so I'm gonna be choosing this cinnamon, and I'm going to be using cedarwood. These are the fragrances I'm going to use for this autumn candle. I hope it mixes together well, so I guess I'm going to have to... I wonder if I can take the top off. I should be able to take the top off, right? It's coming off. Alright, so 2 tablespoons. Oh, I don't need 2 tablespoons. I only need 1 tablespoon because I am making half the amount. So this is 1 tablespoon. So if you see, that is half a tablespoon. So half a tablespoon's in each of these things. So that's the tablespoon. Add oils. Oh, and it's leaking everywhere. Found my glue gun. I redid that. She said 51 to 54. I made it cool down too much, but it stopped at 49. Smells so good. I was enjoying making and creating these candles so much, I decided to make a 3-wick candle out of the larger bowl I have. So I melted more wax. And this one I decided to go with like an end of summer theme, so it's kind of citrusy. The bowls were too big for the wick holders, and this one was way too big for the popsicle stick, so I had to get creative. Okay, so this is the next morning. This is the first candle I made. This is the autumn fall candle. It smells amazing. It's these 2 scents. It smelled amazing. The whole house smells of this. I'm out of these 2 and I do need more wax, so I am gonna fill this wax a bit closer. So I have another cup melting right now, and then I want to get one of these flavors, one of these scents to complement it. I'm not sure which one yet, because this is like a oaky, cinnamony type of smell, so it does really smell like autumn, winter. It's nice and cozy. This smells so good. I'm not a huge fan of lavender, but I'm guessing it might complement it. So I'm thinking like it will start off with one smell, and then when it gets deeper down it starts to, you know, change. So I'm not sure if it's gonna work. This is me trying. So I think I may start off with like a tea tree and a rosemary mix for the top, and then as it goes further down, so not too much, but some of these to start. Now this one smells really yummy. I have a lot of citrus flavors, so this also isn't full. There's still lots more of these flavors left, so I'm gonna just make another batch, like another cup with these in it. One, I have lemon oil, orange oil, grapefruit oil, and lemongrass oil. It smells so delicious. And then this one smells really warm and autumny. I love both of them in different ways. So this is almost 24 hours after I started making the candles. Maybe 10 hours since I put the last layer, so it's really hard. I'm gonna cut the wicks down. This I wish I had put further out because it's all going to pull in the middle, but my first time, so live and learn. So I'm removing all of the excess wick. So I'm going to use the blow dryer to help reduce that homemade look. So here are my homemade candles. Let me know what you think about them in the comment section below. Subscribe, share the video, and until next time.
Don't confuse me with somebody else, cause I've been working, I've been moving in stealth. Love yourself, love yourself, love yourself, love yourself.